So this AI agent just got even better. Basically, they just released a new feature called Genspark AI Sheets that let you use AI agent to do a research on the internet, and this AI agent is able to compile all the data into a meaningful format, which is the Excel spreadsheet format, which I think a lot of businesses are using. So I'm going to show you a few examples of the things that you can do with this new AI Sheets feature, and later I'll show you where you can use it. So first, this is one example of someone uploading 10 different pictures of Tumblr designs or unique Tumblr products. And basically, this person asked this AI agent to create a table with my Tumblr images in column 1, and then basically asking this AI agent to create a unique image for every single product. So there's going to be a picture for the fitness scene, home scene, and outdoor scene. And as you can see here, every single product got their unique picture, and I think they do look really amazing and very consistent thanks to the GPT-Image-1 image model. So you can do it to do repetitive tasks, and this is one great example of making your products more attractive. Another example that you can do is that you can ask it to do a quick research on the internet. This person asked this AI agent to make a list of all American healthcare startups that are at the Series A or Series B stage, and then basically this Genspark AI Sheets is able to collect data from lots of different websites and then compile it into this single format that is a lot easier to read. So if you want to use this AI tool, you can navigate to genspark.ai and then you can sign in to your account. And by the way, if you don't have an account, you can actually sign up for free, and it's going to give you 200 credits every single day. And I think that's quite generous, and there are a lot of things that you can do with that credits. And after that, after you have opened the website, you can click AI Sheets, and then you can start writing the prompt or writing a request that you want AI agent to do. So by the way, you can also upload a document that you might want AI agent to reference or maybe process. So for this example, I'll try to tell this agent to find the best AI voice cloning tools, and then I want this agent to rank them based on the popularity, price, quality, rating, etc. And it should come back to me with the answer. So I'm going to send a message, and you'll see something that look like this. Now I'm going to show you another demo. This is what the tool look like when it is working. You can actually see the progress in real time, and later when it is done, you can actually always ask it to refine the result. You can always continue the chat. So I think it's very amazing that you can always collaborate with AI and then try to refine the answer. So this is one example that I just shown you earlier. It is still doing the research, and I'll show you when it is done. Alright, it took about 3 minutes to finish the research, but it is finally done. So in case you're wondering what are the best AI tools for voice cloning according to Genspark research, well, apparently the #1 position is from 11 Labs. Yeah, I think I would agree with that distinction. 11 Labs is good, PolyHD is fine, but overall I would say 11 Labs is the best when it comes to AI voice cloning. So that's the power of Genspark AI Sheets. Go ahead, try this tool and see if this is something that you are going to be something that's going to be useful for your work. Anyway, if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.